Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily and I'm so happy that you're here today because Miss Ink are releasing their July release and it's so much fun. I will get into the coloring right away here and I'm using the new awesomely cute birthday gnomes and I just love them. Look how cute they are. I will speed the coloring of all of these gnomes and cake and flowers and everything up a lot, and you can see the assembly of the card later on. And this is my take on this pretty large image that comes in this stamp set. It also comes with a lot of pretty sentiment. I had just stamped a lot of these out and I will color them in. I was going for a soft summery vibe here and I didn't mind that my coloring wasn't perfect. I was just going around having fun playing with all of these nice color combinations. And I will have two cards for you today to share just how you can use some of the elements or all of the elements to create fun and simple cards to give away to somebody that is having a birthday during the summer and love gnomes. I don't know, I just think this is super fun. So I'm using an older stencil called Ins and Outs Quatrefoil, and I have been using this a lot in previous videos, so I will leave a link up in the corner here if you want to see even more inspiration using this stencil. And I just decided to create a blend between purple, a darker pink reddish I should say, more of a raspberry color, and then some orange at the bottom. I was going for this summer sky and I just love those colors together. And the fun thing with these stencils are that they have an outer really delicate border that you can use. You can color it in the same colors, or you can do as I did. I used some glitz glitter gel. These are from Nuvo in collaboration with Gina K, and I will peel it off and it dries super quickly when it is this hot. I'm in the middle of the summer here in Sweden, so I have amazing weather and good lighting for once when I'm filming my videos. So I'm excited about that, and that my glitter glitz gel dries super fast. And if you think my videos are going too fast, you can always have the option of slowing them down in the settings area. But I was just going for a quick and simple card here that was really festive, so I used some double-sided foam tape to pop my elements up, and I just black embossed, not black embossed, I just black stamped my sentiment onto a piece of white cardstock. I could have stamped it down directly to my card base, but I decided to pop that one up as well, so I grounded my image a little bit more. I decided to use some white gel pens and to create some highlights. I will also go in with some glossy accent and create some dimension to my balloons here. I'm pretty sure that I also used a glitter pen for my balloons, just to create a little bit more of an interest to them. So this also dries really quickly when it's this hot here. I'm excited, because I have a tendency to mess up my glossy accents when I'm doing it like this. I always forget that I have something drying on the card and like putting another card on top of it. Tell me in the description box if that ever happened to you, or if you're a perfect card maker that never messes up a project. Anyway, here is my second card, and I went ahead and cut a lot of my elements out, and I also laid everything out, imagining how I wanted this to look in the end. So I have this black piece of black strip of cardstock. I also created a splattered panel here. I just used some black acrylic paint and splattered that all over my sea glass cardstock. That's from Simon Says Stamp. And I also cut out of silver glitter cardstock a frame here. This one is from Trinity Stamps, the die that I'm using. So I will just adhere that down just to have something to ground my images in this scene. And you can see that flowers that I'm using for my projects today, these are also from one of the new stamp sets that will be available today, and that is also one of my favorites. I will have upcoming projects with them, and I know that the design team made a lot of inspiration with just with that stamp set, so check that out. You will see a lot more inspiration over at our Instagram account as well. And remember that all of our videos also have coordinating blog posts if you want to see more still photos of anything that we create. So I'm popping my elements up and just tucking my sentiment into that little frame, and I will use some shimmer, and I will also use some Pretty Pink Parts sequins, and of course my white gel pen. I cannot live without that one. I'm using them on everything, from creating highlights to creating some freckles and everything to my gnomes here. So if you like this video, it's soon coming to an end here. If you like it, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel, and we will soon be back with even more inspiration. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!